my babies. Oh, there he is. Yes, we got Bear. We got Bear and we got Vincent. Yes, and we got little girl Ember. Yes, we got Jen. We got Ziva down here somewhere. Yes. Yes, they're all over the place, babies. They're all over the place. Hey, Jen. Hey, Jen. Climbing me. Oh, there's Bear. There's Bear the Magnificent. Yes. Yes, I know. Babies, babies, babies. We got Jen climbing on top of me here. We got little Ember. Yes. Little Ember down here. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Gracie, of course, is standing on me. Gracie's, of course, standing on me. Hey, Ziva. Hey, Ziva. And there's Benson. My Benson. Yes. Bear, you're going wild today, huh? You're going wild, Bobby. You're going wild. You're going wild. Yes, little Ember. My little Ember. My little Bear. My little Bear. Jen, you're going to knock the camera out of my hand, bud. Easy. 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 Hey, little Bear. And there's Bear. Yes, Bubby. Yes, babies everywhere. It's hard to get a video with everybody jumping on me at once. Huh, Ziva? Yeah. Jen, easy, bud, easy. Hey, Bear. Hey, Ember. Yes. My babies. My little babies. Yes. Yes, Ember and Bear. You guys gonna play with some of those toys? The little bone over there. Huh? Little bone over there. Ziva! Look at all that energy. Look at all the energy. Yeah. Yeah, look at all this energy. Crazy, I can't get half the puppies. Half the puppies. No. Guys, over here. Don't chew on that couch. Don't chew on the couch. Run around. Burn that energy off. But don't eat the couch. It's an innocent couch, Bear. It's innocent. It's innocent, buddy. It did nothing wrong. What are you doing? What are you doing? Everybody gonna watch TV? It is a little loud. You trying to climb up here, Bear? Oh. Oh, hey, Ziva. Hey, Ziva. Hey, Bobby. Hey, Ember. My Ember. No. What are you doing, Jen? Jen. That's me. That's me. Yep. Gracie. Gracie. Look. Ember. Yes, Ziva. Yes, Ziva. Always time for Ziva. You guys are pushing each other out of the way. Hey, Benson. Hey, Benson. And look, somebody going after my... No. No. Not my sock. Not my sock. No, no going after the sock. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. You guys are being up close and personal today. Up close and personal. Up close and personal, yeah. Up close and personal. Don't be going after my socks, though. Don't be going after my socks. What? What, little Ziva? What, little Ziva? Look at him jumping all over the place. Bear got the wild instincts this week. He's acting like a bear. Yes, he is. Yes, he is, Bubby. You acting like a bear. Gracie, you gotta get down. Babies. Babies. Benson. Ziva. Ember. Jen with the bone in his mouth.